We live in a world that loves quick rewards. But building real wealth requires patience and strategy. Getting rich quickly is often just a stroke of luck. But true wealth comes from deliberate, consistent actions over time. Let's talk about the essential steps for wealth creation. First, you need a solid financial plan. This plan outlines your income, expenses, debts, and assets. It sets the stage for your financial journey. Think about your long-term goals. Do you want to retire early? Start a college fund? Be clear about what you want and when you aim to achieve it. Next, you have to create a budget. Understand where your money goes. This helps prevent overspending and identifies what you can save and invest. One useful guideline is the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and investments. To truly maximize savings, automate the process. Set up monthly transfers from your paycheck into your savings account. Aim to have 3-6 months worth of living expenses in an emergency fund. This safety net helps avoid high-interest debt when unexpected costs arise. Managing debt is crucial. Focus on paying off high-interest debts first, like credit cards and personal loans. Consider strategies like the debt snowball or debt avalanche methods to keep you motivated. Now, let's talk investing. Investing grows your savings and is essential for wealth accumulation. Start early and choose a diversified investment portfolio. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs all have different advantages and risks. Mixing these helps protect your wealth over time. Also, be mindful of tax implications. Use tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401ks to minimize taxes on your investments. Remember, it's often beneficial to hold onto investments for over a year to enjoy lower tax rates on gains. Lastly, protect your wealth with insurance. Home, health, and life insurance are essential to safeguard your assets. They help you recover from potential crises, allowing you to stay on track with your wealth-building goals. In summary, building wealth is a journey of discipline and planning. It requires budgeting, saving, investing, and protecting your assets. Start today, no matter how small your efforts may seem. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more insights on building wealth and achieving your financial goals.